morning, everyone. So right now we are getting packed and ready to go, and I just uploaded the video, so go watch it if you haven't watched it yet. And so what we're doing right now is we're just packing, getting ready to leave to my grandma's to go see Lauren and just have like a little fun vacation. And I still have to do a lot of cleaning.
Windy much? Windy much?
I can't shut it. Oh, Nelly.
I wish I would have got it when your hair was straight up, going straight up. I didn't get all that. Okay, so it's a beautiful day here today. The snow is melting. It's
Gorgeous.
going to be in the 60s, so we all think it's like a total heat wave.
So we're wearing short sleeves, you know?
Yeah.
I would wear shorts, but that's a little much.
That's pushing it.
There's still some snow on the ground,
right.
so.
Yeah. Anyway, you can see over there, there's a little bit of snow on the ground, but it's beautiful. This is highly unlikely for us to have this here this time of year, but we will so take it. We are headed on our trip. We just stopped to get some little snacks and stuff, and then we're gonna
Go out to
have a bite to eat alone, kind of some mother-daughter time, and then headed down to see Lauren. So I know Noel already started the vlog, but welcome to our weekend vlog.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to. We're gonna put like a couple days combined because we're not gonna be home. So it's gonna be a very long vlog. So the real fans will come out during.
That's right, the real fans.
Yeah.
All right, see y'all later.
Oh, stuck.
Yeah, I know you. I wanted to be in there.
Got water. Hope you have a strong bladder. She doesn't. I've been eating.
She doesn't like to be filmed eating. We're just having the chips and salsa right now. Our favorite foods are Mexican food, Tex-Mex.
It's at our destination. Sorry if I'm like half shade and half sun, but it's very bright out. It's actually very warm today, as we said before. And so Mom's gonna share a little something.
Okay, so we've had such high profile winds here that I've never felt 60 and 70 mile an hour wind gusts on the freeway unless there's like snow or rain or whatever. 3 different times in 3 different sections of the freeway was shut down because semis and cars and semis and vans were turning over.
Let me turn it around for you.
He's holding a great nephew. Aww. Aww. Yeah. You know you want to be on film eating? Everybody does.
I've been windblown all day, inside and outside that store, so.
I think I got a fake nail in my bean.
Oh.
Yum. Yum, Lauren.
Pretty boy. He got such long legs.
I know.
Oh, Lord.
Of course, we can always find Lauren with a dog or a cat or a guinea pig.
Any animal.
Any animal. Aww. Oh, we're FaceTiming Taven and AJ, but he just threw up.
That's disgusting.
Okay guys, so since we can't upload while we're at my grandma's house, you'll already know this by now, but this whole weekend's going to be collided into one vlog, except for Sunday. Sunday will be its own vlog, but Friday and Saturday are going to be together. And so right now, we are getting ready for bed. Me and Noel are going to sleep on the air mattress, and you can see the little friends are on there right now. And we're watching some Pretty Little Liars because I got my grandma and my sister hooked on it. My mom's not so fond of it. She doesn't like crime and like murder and stuff like that. So, but it's really an interesting show to watch and dramatic. So, but we will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to end this little day. and we will see you guys next clip. Roll it.
Hello YouTubers, good morning. It's day 2 of our weekend mini vacation. We're at Grandma's house, well, the girl's grandma, my mom, and visiting family and friends and just really kind of taking some time to rest and refresh and relax. And I'm so grateful that God is bringing joy back into our life again.
We are in a car headed to go to the video store or the store first. Video store, and then we're gonna go to the store. Noel's up here. Grandma's right over there. I can zoom into her little thing, see if we can see her. You can't really see her. Her face. Wait, hold on. You can just see her Donald Trump hair.
She does not have Donald Trump hair.
Donald
Trump has the same hair. That's why it blows off.
So, we are just doing night, and we're just talking.
Come on, baby.
Are you down with the camera?
Ready to ship?
Oh, there's Sammy and Lulu snuggling.
Party. Outside party. Good night. Let's go outside.
Good night. Oh, good night. Thanks for joining us on our mini vacation. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.